What if I told you that the tiniest drone in DJI's lineup might actually be the most powerful one yet? Sounds a bit wild, right? But hang tight, because the DJI Mini 5 Pro is turning heads for all the right reasons. Despite the Mini name, there's nothing small about what this drone brings to the table. DJI is once again poised to disrupt the drone industry with a device that's compact, ultralight, yet packed with pro-level features that make it a real contender for both hobbyists and professionals alike. At the heart of the excitement is a rumored 1-inch or upgraded 1.3-inch sensor, which would dramatically improve low-light performance and bring sharper detail and better dynamic range to your footage. Think deeper shadows, richer colors, and footage that looks straight out of a big-budget film. Add in a possible f1.7 aperture, or even variable aperture, and you're looking at serious control over depth of field and lighting conditions, especially valuable for creators shooting in golden hour or indoors. Plus, there's strong talk of 4K at 60 fps 10-bit color, and HDR support, all of which means color grading in post-production will be smoother, richer, and way more professional. But the Mini 5 Pro isn't just about hardware upgrades. DJI is stepping up its AI game in a big way. We're expecting smarter features like auto-framing, improved quick shots, and next-gen master shots, all aimed at reducing manual controls and letting creators focus on capturing their story. It's like having your own cinematographer in the sky without needing to babysit every frame. Whether you're biking down a trail, climbing a cliff, or just strolling through a city, this drone could follow you like a loyal camera assistant. Now let's talk about flight performance. One of the most anticipated features is an extended 40-minute flight time. Thanks to more efficient battery algorithms and possibly adaptive energy management, which means the drone might adjust power usage in real time depending on wind, speed, and workload. And for those shooting out in the wild, fast charging could be a game changer, especially if DJI includes a new smart charging hub designed for quick top-ups between takes. Even with all these upgrades, the Mini 5 Pro is expected to stay under the critical 250 grams weight limit, making it ideal for travelers and legal to fly in many countries without registration. But don't let the lightweight frame fool you. DJI is likely using high-quality materials and aerodynamic improvements for better wind resistance, heat management, and durability. Imagine something light enough to fit in your jacket pocket, but tough enough to handle a breezy mountain shoot. Obstacle avoidance is also expected to get a major upgrade. While the Mini 4 Pro did well in this area, the Mini 5 Pro might introduce 360-degree sensing, smarter return-to-home features, and possibly even gesture controls, letting solo creators operate the drone hands-free with simple movements. Combine that with real-time AI adjustments, auto-editing tools, and scene detection, and this drone could go from takeoff to upload-ready footage in minutes. It's the kind of tech that removes the steep learning curve and opens the door for creativity from day one. Of course, no device is perfect. The expected starting price of $999, with bundles possibly stretching to $1,299, is definitely on the premium side. And while the smarter features are a huge plus, they may overwhelm casual users or total beginners who just want a simple fly-in shoot setup. Plus, DJI will need to ensure all these smart systems are rock solid, because bugs and crashes in AI-driven flight modes aren't exactly charming. But all things considered, the DJI Mini 5 Pro looks less like a refresh and more like a revolution. It promises to be more than a drone. It's shaping up to be an all-in-one production studio that fits in the palm of your hand. Whether you're shooting for social media, documenting your travels, or producing client work, this drone seems ready to deliver professional quality with beginner-friendly accessibility. If you're planning an upgrade or stepping into the drone world for the first time, the Mini 5 Pro might just check every box, from cinematic video and long battery life to AI smarts and compact design. So what's your take? Is this the drone you've been waiting for? Let me know in the comments below. If this deep dive gave you any clarity or sparked your excitement, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that bell icon so you're the first to catch our latest reviews and breakdowns. And if you're still undecided, Check out our DJI Mini for pro comparison video or our beginner's drone buying guide. Both linked right here on the end screen. Thanks for watching, and as always, fly safe, shoot smart, and keep creating.